So the purpose of my program is to let the monkey catch the bananas. So my code runs so when the flag click, it will reset, and the broadcast is reset the banana. So when I right click, the monkey will move 10 steps to the right. So if I click the left arrow, it will move left to 4 step. So when catch the banana, it will reset banana and see yummy. So let me run this. So now when catch banana, it will see yummy. So when miss banana, it will say no, it be miss bananas. So for the banana side, so when I reset the banana, it will reset and forever to change the y by -25 and with 0.1 second, which means it will let the banana down. So when the banana touch the green space, it will miss the bananas. So if I were change this event like more like -20 and 20, now stop and so the monkey will run faster.